So here we go today, we're looking at Apple stock. As you can see, this stock continued to roll on high. And the next target, nobody can tell, but it is on the roll. If we look at the monthly time frame, there is no limit where this is going. Unless there is some internal issue they can finish, or some global events, this stock is going to hit probably hit it for 400 and continue to roll. At this point, it is expensive. It is so high. My recommendation has been always to wait for the stock to pull back, and then you can join. As you can see, you could have bought it here, you could have bought some here, you could have bought it there, you could have bought it here. So even though this is on a high, I'm expecting this to pull back, retest the recent lows, and then continue from there. I hope this helps, and I will see you next time.